Our planet, a magnificent tapestry of life and beauty, harbours within its depths a power so immense, so awe-inspiring, that it has shaped the very course of life itself. Volcanoes, these fiery behemoths, stand as silent sentinels, their slumbering presence a stark reminder of the Earth's untamed power. We embark on a journey to the heart of these geological giants, delving into their fiery past, their volatile present, and the looming threat they pose to millions living in their shadows. Looming over the bustling city of Naples, Vesuvius stands as a stark reminder of nature's untamed power. Its slopes, now cloaked in verdant vegetation, belie a fiery heart. A heart that once unleashed unimaginable devastation upon the Roman cities of Pompeii and Herculaneum. In 79 AD, Vesuvius erupted with a fury rarely witnessed by man, burying these once thriving cities under a suffocating blanket of ash and pumice. Today we walk among the ruins, frozen in time, a chilling testament to the volcano's destructive power. But Vesuvius is not a relic of the past. Its slumber is a deceptive one, for deep within its fiery belly, pressure is building, magma churning, awaiting its inevitable release. Scientists warn of an impending eruption, one that could dwarf the cataclysm that entombed Pompeii. Millions live within the volcano's shadow, their fate hanging precariously on the whims of this fiery giant. Beneath the serene beauty of Yellowstone National Park lies a slumbering giant, a supervolcano capable of unleashing an eruption of unimaginable scale. Unlike traditional volcanoes, Yellowstone's eruptions are not marked by towering cones, but by colossal calderas, vast depressions formed by eruptions that dwarf any witnessed in human history. The last major eruption over 600,000 years ago ejected over 240 cubic miles of volcanic material, blanketing much of North America in a thick layer of ash. Today, beneath the geysers and hot springs, the ground heaves and groans, a constant reminder of the immense forces at work. Scientists closely monitor the supervolcano's every tremor, every shift, for they know that another eruption is not a matter of if, but when. An eruption of Yellowstone's magnitude would have catastrophic global consequences, plunging the planet into a volcanic winter, disrupting agriculture, and potentially altering the course of human civilization. In the remote reaches of Alaska, shrouded in mist and mystery, lies Novarupta, a volcano whose name sends shivers down the spines of volcanologists. In 1912, it erupted with a violence rarely witnessed in human history, unleashing the largest volcanic eruption of the 20th century. The eruption, 1,000 times more powerful than Mount St. Helens, ejected 30 cubic kilometers of ash and pumice into the atmosphere, burying the surrounding landscape in a thick blanket of volcanic debris. The ash cloud carried by the wind circled the globe, dimming the sun and painting sunsets in hues of purple and orange. Though now dormant, Novarupta's legacy serves as a stark reminder of the immense power that lies dormant within the Earth, a power capable of reshaping landscapes and impacting the entire planet in a matter of days. Rising majestically above the plains of Java, Mount Merapi stands as Indonesia's most active and dangerous volcano. Its name, meaning mountain of fire, is a testament to its fiery nature, a nature that has both sustained and threatened the lives of millions living in its shadow. Merapi is a stratovolcano, its steep slopes built up by layers of hardened lava and volcanic ash, a testament to centuries of eruptions. And erupt it does with alarming regularity, sending fiery pyroclastic flows racing down its slopes, engulfing everything in their path. Despite the ever-present danger, millions call Merapi's slopes home, drawn to the fertile volcanic soil that sustains their livelihoods. Living in the shadow of the mountain of fire is a constant balancing act, a testament to human resilience in the face of nature's raw power. Clad in a mantle of ice and snow, Mount Rainier, a towering icon of the Pacific Northwest, seems a picture of serenity. But beneath its icy facade lies a fiery heart, a volcano capable of unleashing destruction on a scale that defies comprehension. Rainier is a stratovolcano, its towering cone built up over millennia by layers of lava and ash. But what sets Rainier apart and makes it so dangerous is its potential to generate lahars, gigantic mudflows that can travel for tens of miles, engulfing everything in their path. These lahars, a deadly mix of water, ice, rock and volcanic debris, pose the greatest threat to the millions living in Rainier's shadow. Scientists warn that a future eruption, even a small one, could trigger catastrophic lahars, sending walls of mud and debris crashing down river valleys, inundating towns and cities with little warning. In the heart of Bali, rising above emerald rice paddies and ancient temples, stands Mount Agung, a volcano revered and feared in equal measure. For the Balinese, Agung is the dwelling place of the gods, a sacred peak that holds sway over their spiritual lives. But Agung is also a force of nature capable of unleashing unimaginable destruction. In 1963, Agung erupted with a fury that shook the island to its core. Pyroclastic flows, rivers of superheated gas and volcanic debris raced down its slopes, engulfing villages and killing over 1,000 people. The eruption, a stark reminder of Agung's power, left an indelible mark on the island's psyche. Today, Agung is once again showing signs of unrest, its fiery breath a constant reminder of the delicate balance between man and nature. In the heart of the Philippines, Mount Pinatubo, once a nondescript peak cloaked in dense jungle, rose to infamy in 1991 with an eruption of such magnitude that it shook the world. The eruption, the second largest terrestrial eruption of the 20th century, ejected a massive plume of ash and sulfur dioxide into the atmosphere, reaching heights of over 24 miles. The ash cloud, carried by the wind, circled the globe, dimming the sun and causing global temperatures to drop by an average of 0.5 degrees Celsius. Pinatubo's eruption was a stark reminder of the interconnectedness of our planet, demonstrating how even seemingly remote events can have global repercussions. On a clear spring morning in 1980, Mount St. Helens, a picturesque peak in the Cascade Range, erupted with a violence that shocked the world. The eruption, triggered by a massive landslide, unleashed a lateral blast that flattened forests for miles and sent a towering plume of ash and gas high into the atmosphere. The eruption of Mount St. Helens was a defining moment in volcanology, providing scientists with an unprecedented opportunity to study the dynamics of volcanic eruptions and their aftermath. In the decades since the eruption, life has slowly returned to the blast zone. From the ashes of destruction, a new ecosystem has emerged, a testament to nature's resilience and the enduring power of life. As we've witnessed, volcanoes are both creators and destroyers, shaping our planet over millennia with their fiery breath. They are a stark reminder of the immense power that lies beneath our feet, a power that can both inspire awe and instill fear. While we may never fully tame these fiery giants, by understanding their behavior, monitoring their activity, and respecting their power, we can learn to coexist with these forces of nature. For they are an integral part of our planet's story, a story that continues to unfold with each fiery eruption, each silent tremor, each wisp of smoke rising from their summits.